Okay guys, today we are unboxing something new we've got here at Coyote Ridge. We have the Bushmaster quick response carbine, and I picked this up. This is already open because this was the display model they had. I picked this up at Rural King. I got a crazy deal on it. I was actually looking to get the Smith & Wesson M&P 15, but like I said, they had a killer deal on this, and got it for $424.93. There you go, $424.93. And yeah, I mean it's pretty sweet, guys. Let me make sure you saw that there. $424.93. Yeah, digging the definitely digging the Bushmaster. Let's see, it did not come with optics, but my grandson came over last night and he brought me a red dot that he had right here, and so we'll put that on it, and I need to clean it up a little bit. It's a little dusty where he had it. It came with the 30 round clip. And yeah, so we're going to be having all kinds of fun with that here at Coyote Ridge. So we'll get to do some more shooting videos, some more tactical type stuff. I'd already planned on doing a series of videos of combining tactical gear with bushcraft techniques. So yeah, the rifle has a 6-position stock. I mean, it's going to be a good base to build off of. You know, it's their entry level AR, but yeah, it's going to be a good base. I think I ended up getting a pretty good deal there. I was looking at some of the lower price ones anyway. Like I said, I was looking at the M&P 15. I was also, they had some Panthers there, some DPMS, and they had the Oracle. They had a Ruger there, the Ruger 5.56. I was looking at it also, and the sales guy just happened to mention that they had this back there that they had just marked down. It was their last one, and the guy in front of me didn't take it, so you know, I jumped on it. So look forward to making some more videos that'll have this in it, and hope you guys stick around and check it out. And remember, if you haven't already, to subscribe to the channel. We'll see you later. Okay, just real quick, here's how the gun looks with the red dot. I stuck it on there real quick. It's going to be a fun little gun.